Finding the Great Horned Owl
by Avery.
Hey Hayden, are you looking?
Yeah.
Hey Hayden, are you looking?
Yeah.
They heard a noise. What was that?
I don't know.
Chase the noise.
It was just a bird. It was just a bird.
Females are bigger than males, so if you see a big owl, it is a male.
The great horned owl's average wingspan is 49 inches. They are swimming in trees, so look hard.
We gotta be getting home. It's getting really dark.
Let's go then.
Later.
Wait a second and let us home.
Its nest is on the tree next to our house.
Come on, let's go inside. The owl never left that tree, so they made it their pet. They named him Jack, and he never flew away.